cupcakes. What I'm doing now is I'm taking our cupcake mix, measuring it out so we have an even amount in each cupcake here. 9 vanilla and 9 chocolate cupcakes, just because of how much the order is needing. I love this thing. I know it takes a little bit longer to measure out your cupcakes and get them ready to go in the oven, but I am kind of a perfectionist, so I like to know that everything is the same amount. Yes, it takes a lot more time, but
how does it, what's the other way to do it? Why does it take more time? Because you just pour it?
Yeah, you can just take the bowl and you can just pour it in each, or you can use like a spoon, but this has like full rounded edges, so that way if you use a spoon, it could overflow a lot easier. This is just easy. I saw it on a cooking video that I watched on YouTube, and ever since then I was like, you know what, that's a good idea. I'm gonna use that.
Shout out to that person, whoever that was.
So I am making these for a friend who reached out because I had been posting some pictures and videos of the cupcakes that I had been making for Farrell's Extreme Body Shaping's 10-week party. So they had seen those and wanted to know if I could make their daughter her birthday cake and some cupcakes. So that's what I am attempting to make these for. She really likes the Alice in Wonderland live action with Johnny Depp. So I am trying to...
Hashtag Team Depp.
Yeah.
Not Amber.
So I am going to try and make these cupcakes very colorful and just kind of fun on top. Alright, so our timer just went off for our cupcakes. We're going to check on them. Man, those are looking good. So the Nutella cupcakes are done. What we're going to do is take a toothpick, regular toothpick. We're going to place it in the middle of the cupcake and pull it out. See how nothing is stuck to the cupcake? That means that one's done. So I'm going to do it to our chocolate. Perfect cupcakes. So they can come on out. We have these 4 bowls of our buttercream, and I'm going to add the gel food coloring. And I say gel and emphasize gel because we don't want to add too much liquid to these. So if we're adding the gel, it's not going to mess with the consistency of our buttercream. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bowl of yellow, a bowl of purple, a bowl of pink, and a bowl of ocean teal. And you can play around with these colors a little bit, figure out how much you want in each bowl and what color you really want to get. See how it mixes in a little bit better with having that gel, and we're not messing with the consistency of the buttercream. Again, I'm really trying to go for some vibrant colors here. So once we get this mixed up, I'll see what it looks like. If it's vibrant enough, awesome. If I need to add some more, I'll add some more. Now that we have our colors mixed, everything looks fantastic. Notice how our buttercream did not change in any type of way, just color. Next, what I'm going to do is, for the cupcakes, I'm going to mix these 2 colors and these 2 colors together in a piping bag. So, easiest way that I've learned to do that, take some wax paper, take our colors that we want, stay. And take our spatula,
This is the trick you and my mom used last time she was in town, right?
Yes. So we are going to create 2 lines basically of our buttercream. It's not that easy when nothing wants to cooperate. It's all right. I want to try and get as much as I can. That way I'm not having to make too much more if I don't need to. Okay, we got 1 color down. Next I'm gonna add our teal. And we're just gonna lay this right next to it. Mix that up a little bit. Notice there was some white in there. Don't want that. There's still some white in there. Who mixed up this color? Sean?
You did the teal. I did the purple.
Okay. This all here. Those colors look really good together. So next what we're going to do, take our wax paper, and we're just gonna roll it into a tube. Just like that. So, I like this tip here. It makes some awesome little flowers. When it goes on, I think this is the open star tip. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. What we want to do is we want to make sure that the tip, see how it comes down on the sides here? We want to make sure that we are not blocking that off when we cut our piping bag. So, cut a little bit. Stick this down in here and notice how we are not blocking off any of our openings here. So we're good. So next, we're gonna do, we are going to take our buttercream that we just made. I'm gonna cut this bottom off here. Just like that. We're gonna slide it into the top here. Push it down. Just like that. Next, I'm gonna grab some cupcakes. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist this, try and force everything to come down to the bottom here. Look at that, starting to come out. I'm gonna use my piping bag, that's extra, just to kind of, look at that, see what we're working with here. So, what I'm going to do, keeping this nice and tight, nice and snug, keep it rolled up, I'm going to take my cupcake and we are going to start in the middle. Ooh, there goes some air in the bag. This buttercream is nice and hard. And there we have a cupcake. crazy designs. Same process, different colors. This time we're doing awesome purple and pink here. So these are our chocolate cupcakes. And whew, a lot of buttercream here. Here we go. Beautiful. If you mess up, you can always add some little fun to it to make it look a little better. Wow, look at that. That didn't even want to stay there. There we go. Beautiful.
Rinse and repeat, huh?
Rinse and repeat. I mean, it's hard, but it's easy to decorate these. I mean, there's always going to be some issues one way or another with what you're doing. And you just have to go with the flow and make them look how you want them. There's no right or wrong way to do it. I think they look fantastic, no matter what you do with them.